Welcome back to Potted Living, this show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables on your balcony or other garden space in pots or containers, whatever you like to call it. Today is just a very quick update video on my Babycakes Blackberry Bush. As you will recall, I told you in the last video that everybody was saying that if you chop the blackberry all the way down to the base, it's probably not going to produce berries this year. And I said I was going to prove everybody wrong, and I have, and here's why. The flowers have started to bloom on the very top. You can see one there. Maybe this one's a little bit better to see. So you can see the flowers are starting. This is how they look when they first start growing. They grow at the very top of the canes, and then they start to work their way down. And you usually get anywhere from 3 to 8 blackberries on the top of each one of these branches. They bust out of the flower and then start to produce a wonderful, beautiful blackberry. So it looks like, and we're really only at the end of July here, so I'm expecting probably a couple months of blackberries coming. I will provide you with another update video once these start to turn into blackberries, but as you can see, massive bush, massive from where it started. And at the top of all the canes, we're seeing flowers starting to form. So very encouraging sign. Very easy bush to grow. The Babycakes Blackberry stays pretty compact, as you can see. It does start to flop out as the blackberries grow, so you'll see that later. So you might want to think about caging or using some sticks. Any soil, just lots of light. As you can see, this has big, beautiful green leaves that love lots and lots of light. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep you updated on my Babycakes Blackberry.